If WhatsApp web is stuck loading or fails to sync your chats, you can fix it quickly by following these steps. First, check your internet connection. Make sure both your phone and laptop have active internet access. Turn off any active VPNs on your devices. Next, refresh your connection. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Keep it open while loading the web page. This wakes up the background connection between your devices. Third, clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings. Find the option to clear browsing data. Select cookies and cached files. Choose all time for the time range and clear the data. This removes corrupted files that prevent the page from loading. Fourth, unlink and relink your device. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings and tap Link Devices. Select your active browser session and tap Logout. Refresh the web page on your laptop and scan the new QR code. Fifth, disable browser extensions. Open your browser extension manager. Turn off ad blockers and privacy extensions. Reload WhatsApp web to see if an extension was blocking the page. Finally, update WhatsApp in your browser. Open the App Store or Play Store on your phone and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Open your laptop browser settings and update your browser as well. Outdated software causes compatibility issues with multi-device syncing.